Can you really make money betting on sports, or is it just a trap that drains your bank account? Well, OddsJam claims to have cracked the code, but does it actually work? So I've tested countless betting strategies and tools, and most of them promise big wins but leave you disappointed. So I decided to put OddsJam to the test with real bets, real data, and zero bias. So in this video, I'll break down exactly how OddsJam works, whether it's profitable in the long run, and the biggest mistakes that could cost you money. Plus, I'll reveal whether I actually made money using it or if it's all just hype. So, first I want to explain what OddsJam is and how it works. So if we look right here, we see a bunch of positive expected value bets. But what does positive expected value mean? Well, think about it this way. All the bookies have different prices. They set their own prices. So that means that inevitably there's going to be different pricing across the different bookies. So let's look at this for an example. If we look at this game right here, Josh Hart under 16.5 rebounds and assists. So as you can see here, there's different odds across all these sites. We have 1.73, 1.78, 1.83, 1.83, 2, 1.9. Bet365 though has it at 2, which is 6.21% better odds than all of these bookies right here, or better than the average. So if we were to place our bet, it would make sense to place it on Bet365. Now, usually people would have an account with Better Picks, and they'll just go into Better Picks, look through all the games, and just pick the Josh Hart game, bet on it, without knowing the prices on the different bookies. What OddsJam does is show all the different bookies, all the prices listed out, and it just makes it easy for you to find which one has the best odds, because this compares the prices across all the bookies and you just pick the one that's the best. So right here, Bet365, I'm just going to click on it and it's going to take me to Bet365. I then just find the game. So Josh Hart under 16.5 rebounds and assists. So let's find that. Assists and rebounds. Josh Hart under 16.5 rebounds and assists. There we go. $10. Boom. And there we go. That's a positive EV bet placed right there. And that's pretty simple. That's really it. That's all you do. You go through, you find these games, and you just place them. So I'm just going to add this to my bet tracker right there. $10 staked. And the cool thing about this is it actually has a bet tracker that just tracks everything for you. Actually, I'm going to go place another one right now. This one right here. Although this one's only on 2 games, so it's hard to tell really because 2.4, 2.05, but you're only comparing it across 2 bookies, so I probably wouldn't place that one. I want to see like that it's winning across multiple bookies. So like this one, for example, is across multiple bookies, although I don't have an account with Dabble, so I might need to make that. But yeah, you just keep looking pretty much. This one right here, point spread, 2.55. This one looks pretty good because there's a few different bookies here. And I'm in Australia, so there's not many options to choose from, but I'm going to go with this one. Denver Nuggets minus 3.5. So it's, what is this, bro? Go to Bet365. We found it. Denver Nuggets minus 3.5 point spread. Stake $10. Let's go. Just like that, we found 2 bets. Let's add this into the tracker. And you just keep repeating this process pretty much. It's pretty straightforward. If you want to check this out, by the way, this tool is called OddsJam. Link is in the description, and you get 35% off if you use my code LukeParlay. Check it out. It's a super awesome tool. But the thing you've been waiting for actually is the results. How much have I made using OddsJam? So let's go to the bet tracker. And in the past week of using this, I have made $74.63. And in total, I've wagered $65, or I've wagered $60. So I've pretty much doubled my money. Now, this is very lucky. It's a small sample size, so in the long run, it should balance out. But if the math is right, we should basically be profiting about 7%, 5% based on the bets we're placing. Because most of these positive EV bets are around the 5% mark, I've noticed. So you just keep placing these 5% bets, and in the long run, if you wager $100,000 in total, you'll be making $5,000. So it's just about volume. You just keep throwing these out, placing more bets, and over time, you will profit. So that's the tool right there. If you want to check it out again, once again, link in the description. But the thing is, if you go into sports betting, you could have all the tools in the world, but if you don't have the right strategy, then you're going to be screwed. So check out this video next to learn the biggest mistakes that 99% of sports bettors makes and how you can avoid it.